Hello student, in this video we will be learning about synchronous detection of DSBSC. Now see the synchronous demodulator, that is synchronous detector. Synchronous detector is having another name also, coherent detector, another name also product demodulator. And synchronous detection of DSBSC is similar to amplitude modulation synchronous detection only. Anyhow, for the demodulation of DSBSC, we have only one method. What is the synchronous detection block diagram, sir? I told synchronous detection is nothing but multiplier followed by low pass filter. What is that? Multiplier followed by low pass filter. So, we are having multiplier. Take the multiplier box. What is the one input of the multiplier? One input is the DSBSC signal, the modulated signal. What is the another input? We are taking from the local oscillator, which is having same frequency as phase when compared with the coming or received DSBSC signal carrier frequency and phase. No need of with the same amplitude. Generally, in the transmission side, amplitudes are more. In the receiver side, generally amplitudes are less. So, no need of the same amplitude. So, that's why written cos 2 pi FCT. Then, what is the last block, sir? Last block is nothing but low pass filter to pass only our message. So, you will get the M of t back. Got my point or not? Follow. So, here, to make the same common points what I told in AM, to make the synchronization between local oscillator output with the received DSBSC signal, carrier frequency and phase, we need to, what we have to do? We need additional block that is called Costas loop. Are you getting my point? If you don't have a Costas loop, here also I will show you how the phase, if the phase difference is there, how the output is decreasing. If the phase difference, if the frequency difference is there, how the output is decreasing. Here also we'll analyze the three cases. Case 1 in the perfect synchronization. Case 2 having phase difference. Case 3 having frequency difference. And synchronous detection, AM, DSB, SSB, these three are important for ESC, conventional, as well as in the middle points I told, if we are having a phase difference of 45, how the output is decreasing. We are having any frequency difference, how the output is decreasing. These are important questions in objective of IES as well as the combinations with the probability of error they are asking in the gate examination for 2 marks. There is one probability of error question came from the PSK where the local oscillator having a phase difference of 45 degrees, then he given the 4 options. The question is very simple. Only you have to understand if it is a 45 degree, voltage decrease by cos 45, power decrease by cos square 45, that you have to write in that probability of error formula, then you will get the answer. Clear? Follow. So what is the case 1, sir? So first case what I told, in the perfect synchronization case. Perfect synchronization case means what is the local oscillator output, sir? Same cos 2 pi FCT, which is same as the received DSBSC signal carrier. So, right, first take the multiplier output. What is the multiplier output, sir? Multiplier output is, one input is our DSBSC signal, which is the received modulated signal. Another is we are generating locally the same carrier. What is the DSBSC signal, sir? It is AC into M of t into cos 2 pi FCT. The general expression of DSBSC. What is the local oscillator output, sir? Same cos 2 pi FCT. So cos into cos, it will be cos square. We already know cos square can be written as a 1 plus cos 2a format. Writing 1 plus cos 2a format means this is AC M of t by 2 plus AC M of t by 2 into cos 4 pi FCT. These are given where, sir? These are given to low pass filter, sir. What is the low pass filter output, sir? It is allowing only the low frequency components up to omega m, where omega m is nothing but our message signal bandwidth or highest frequency. So first term is m of t, s, it is passed. Second term, sir, m of t into cos, m of t frequency shifting to 2fc, very high. So 2fc minus omega m, 2fc plus omega m, high frequency blocker. So this is the low pass filter output in the perfect synchronization case. Now we will take this as our reference to analyze or comparing with the phase difference and frequency difference case. Follow. So second case, case 2, having phase difference. So local oscillator output is cos 2 pi fct plus some theta you can take, where theta is the phase difference between the local generated carrier with the received DSBSC signal. Now analyze the thing. What is the multiplier output? Multiplier output is one input is nothing but the DSBSC signal. Another input is local oscillator output. What is that? Cos 2 pi fct plus theta. Substitute the DSBSC signal. Recall the general expression of DSBSC. AC into m of t cos 2 pi fct. What is the local oscillator output? That is nothing but cos 2 pi fct plus theta. It is a cos A cos B formula. So AC m of t by 2 into, because 2 is not there, cos A plus B. A plus B means cos 4 pi fct plus theta plus AC m of t by 2 into cos A minus B. That is cos theta you will get. Just cos A into cos B formula applied. This is given to where? Low pass filter. What is the low pass filter output? If you see the first term, m of t into cos 4 pi fcd plus theta. So m of t shifting to 2fc. 2fc minus omega m to 2fc plus omega m. Very high when compared with the low pass filter cutoff frequency omega m. So blocked. Second term, of course, AC by 2 into m of t is passed. It's a constant cos theta, variable constant. What is the theta, sir? The phase difference between the local oscillator with the received DSBSC carrier. Similar fashion, for example, sir, if phase difference is 45 degrees, sir, then what is the low pass filter output? Low pass filter output is AC by 2 into m of t into cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Following my point or not? Now try to compare with the perfect synchronization case, sir. If you compare with the perfect synchronization case, how much is the decrement here, sir? 1 by root 2 times decrement. If you write in terms of voltage, sir, if you write in terms of voltage, 1 by root 2 times. If you write in terms of power, 1 by root 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 means 50% decrement. Write in terms of decibels, 20 log 1 by root 2 or 10 log 1 by 2. I am writing in both ways, voltage and power. Voltage means 20 log, power means 10 log. If you write what is that 20 log 1 by root 2, sir, minus 3 dB. So here also we can say output decreases by 3 dB. Like for example, if phase difference is 90 degrees, sir, if the phase difference is 90, then what is the low pass filter output? Low pass filter output is 0 because cos 90 is 0, means it is also affected by quadrature null effect. So demodulation of DSBSC also affected by QNE. Like if you are having any phase differences, output is decreasing or becoming 0. Are you understand my point or not? So if you don't want that, then the phase difference we have to nullify. For that one we are using Costas receiver or loop. which makes the synchronous reduction complex. Now I will explain you third case. What is the third case, sir? Third case means we are having a frequency difference. Are you getting my point? Right, I am erasing this one to write the third situation. I will keep the first case as it is for our reference. So third situation, what I told, sir? Third situation, I am saying that having the frequency difference. So local oscillator output is cos 2 pi into fc plus having a difference of delta f. Are you following my point or not? Then what is the multiplier output, sir? One input is DSBSC signal, another input is the local oscillator output, which is cos 2 pi into fc plus delta ft. Now multiply, sir. Substitute DSBSC signal, AC, one second. General expression. AC m of t into cos 2 pi fct into cos 2 pi into fc plus delta ft. It's a cos A into cos B formula. So yeah, of course, it's a third case. Then it will be cos A into cos B na. So AC m of t by 2 into cos A plus B. So cos, I can write like this, adding these two, this plus this, 2 pi into fc. So 2fc, one second please. fc plus fc is 2fc plus delta f into t. A plus B. This and this I added. What about the A minus B, sir? AC m of t by 2 into cos A minus B. So fc gone, remaining is 2 pi delta ft. Then obviously, what is the low pass filter output, sir? First one is a high frequency component, 2fc plus delta f into m of t block. Second one is simple delta f means low frequency. So this is passed AC by 2 into m of t cos 2 pi into delta ft. Now whenever we are comparing the frequency difference case, try to take the power. How to calculate the power of this one? Simply square it. AC square m square of t by 2 square is 4. How to calculate the power of this one? Here cos term is there, RMS value whole square I told. So power equal to RMS value. What is RMS value? AC m of t by 2 divided by root 2. So and square it. So AC square m square of t 2 square is 4 into root 2 whole square will be 2. And what we are getting here? AC square m square of t by 4. Here AC square m square of t by 4, but another 1 by 2 is there. Means whenever we are having any frequency difference, output is decreases by 1 by 2 in terms of power. That is, I can say 50% decreases. So if you have any frequency difference, I told in AM also, output power decreases by 50%. Like in the phase differences, any phase differences, output will be decreases. Understand my point or not? Clear?